No, that's wildfire.
That's wildfire. Look at it.
Push. That's Dakota. Put it in her stall. You're okay. Go get your wheelbarrow. That's Cherokee.
Who's that?
Go get your wheelbarrow. Take it down the road, No, the other way. Don't forget Bandit and Freckles down there. You gotta go down there and get Freckles and Bandit some hay. Get some hay and give to Freckles. That's Freckles. Don't forget about Bandit over there.
Okay.
Push.
Play.
Push.
Play. Play.
Yep. Push. Pick up on it and push. What? You're stuck? Push. Push it. Push it. Come on, push. You can do it. You're stuck. There you go. Now you're unstuck. You're welcome. Go get Bandit some hay.
Okay. Oh, I push.
Look. Hey. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up on it. There you go. Hey, Bandit's over here. Pick up on it. There you go. Pull. Okay. Whoa. Go get Bandit some hay. Okay, get him some and put it in his stall. Drop it. Here, get in front of, get back here and push it. That's my helper. Here's my little cowgirl. Ain't gonna be long. I'm gonna have her training horses with me. She'll be training horses before she can even start kindergarten. Push. There you go. Push. Watch where you're going. Push. There you go. Come on, push. 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 Hey. You didn't put it up, silly girl. Get that off the floor. Yeah. Yeah, if you're going to do it, pick that up and put it in there. That a girl. Hey, Rosalind. Love you.
Thank you.
I love you more.
No more.
I love you. Hey, love you.
Thank you. Let's push it.